Here I'm going to create a table called MVCC demo in these two columns here. I'm trying to insert some values in this table. So we have an inbuilt function that is generate series, which will do insertion of 10 rows here. This is the starting value and this is the ending value what I'm using, and the name I'm going to use here is Postgres. So here Postgres used a auto commit, and it is inbuilt feature of the Postgres. If you say set here, it will show you auto commit. By default it is on. And now if I want to see the transaction logs, I can view the transaction logs by saying select xmin star from the table name. So xmin here stands for the transaction logs, which is nothing but creation of the transactions. And so every row will have its own transaction ID. So this is a creation transaction ID which xmin is showing you. Now here every row is having a single transaction ID. So now let me use a single statement insertion here. Insert into MVCC demo values, and here I'm inserting 11, 12, and call select xmin from MVCC. So here you can see it is having a single transaction ID. So 11 is having independent transaction ID, 12 is also having independent transaction ID. If I use begin, and let's try to insert the values here, and let me try to insert 13 and 14. And then here I need to manually call end, or I can say commit. You can do a rollback here. Okay, so these are the other options that you can do it. Here I'm going to use commit, and once I say commit and then call the statement, so these three rows which we inserted within the begin block is having a single transaction ID. So this is how the Postgres addresses the atomicity feature or the transaction feature with the Postgres.